Imagine creating a full 50-minute video in just a few clicks without spending hours or hiring it.
In Sherwood Forest, sunlight paints shifting patterns on the forest floor, a mosaic of light and shadow. Robin Hood moves like a phantom through the ancient trees, his senses sharp, ever alert. Little Red Riding Hood stands frozen, a fragile figure of innocence and fear, her basket a shield against the unknown. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting an ethereal glow as Robin leads Red down the hidden path. Emerging from the dense trees, the sheriff's men form an imposing barrier, cutting off Robin and Red. The leader steps forward, his face a mask of grim determination as he demands, "Hand over Red." I point out subtle signs of danger, sharing my knowledge of the woods with her. I encourage her to trust her instincts as we navigate the dappled path.
Today, I'm going to show you an AI tool that can turn your ideas into high-quality videos, whether it's kids' stories, realistic scenes, or anything else you can imagine, without needing any special skills. I'll also show you how to use the new Sora 2 model, which lets you generate unlimited videos for free this October. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own high-quality, monetizable videos quickly and easily, from start to finish. The tool we're using today is called Magic Light AI, and it can create high-quality videos up to 60 minutes long in just a few clicks. So, the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description. Then, click Get Started and sign up using your email. After signing in, you'll see a few new feature announcements on the dashboard. One exciting update is that they've just added the Sora 2 video model. Now, here's something special. While I'm making this video, there's an ongoing offer where Sora 2 video generation won't consume any credits during October. That means you can use it for free with unlimited video generation. If you're on the Pro or Plus plan, to access Sora 2, simply click on Image to Video. You'll notice that the Sora 2 model is automatically selected, and you can create videos up to 15 seconds long using it. Now, upload your image. Add your prompt describing what you want in your video, and click Generate Video. You'll see that it shows 0 credits, which means no credits are used when generating with Sora 2. Currently, it supports videos up to 15 seconds in 720p resolution. I'll do the same steps for another examples. Upload the image, add my prompt, and click Generate. It usually takes around 30 to 50 seconds to finish, and here are the results I got.
My air smells like spring. Moving forward feels lighter when I let my feet dance a little. Hey, look at you, all powered up. Welcome to the world, little guy. Yeah, you're perfect.
As you can see, it perfectly converts the image into a video with realistic motion, with sound. There are no strange or robotic movements. The animation looks clean, natural, and truly impressive. With Sora 2, you can make unlimited videos, and what I've shown you are just examples. I believe you can create even better ones once you start experimenting, but make sure not to miss this chance. The free offer will expire soon. Now, let's try something even more fun, creating a kid's story with just one click. Simply click on the kid's story generator, and it will bring you to the creation page. It's a very simple and easy way to make kids' stories. First, in the prompt box, you can write your own video topic, or choose one from the suggested ideas. Then, select your video style. I'm choosing Pixar style for this one. After that, pick the aspect ratio and your preferred language. Magic Light supports all major languages, so you can make videos in your own native language too. Next, choose the video model. I'm going with Kling 2.1 Master, and then select your background music from the list. You can preview the storyboard and even customize everything, including the characters, images, and other visual elements. But for now, I just want to show you how it works in one click. So, I clicked Create Video, and the generation process began. First, Magic Light automatically writes the complete script, then it creates the images, and finally, it turns everything into a finished video. Once it's done, I clicked Download, and here's the result.
Once upon a time, Jack and his mother were very poor. She asked Jack to sell their cow. On the way to market, Jack met a man who offered him 5 magic beans for the cow. Jack traded, but his mother was angry and threw the beans out. The next day, a giant beanstalk had grown. Jack climbed it and found a giant's castle. He stole a bag of gold while the giant slept. Later, he climbed again and stole a hen that laid golden eggs. On his third climb, Jack took a golden harp, but it cried out, waking the giant. Jack ran and chopped down the beanstalk. The giant fell, and Jack and his mother lived happily ever after with their treasures.
It looks amazing. The character, consistency, storyline, and overall flow are perfect. Everything feels smooth, natural, and well put together. And the best part is, it's a one-click video creation process. Magic Light handles everything for you, from writing the script to generating images to creating the final video. But this method doesn't give us much control to customize things manually. So, to create a story where you can design your own characters and scenes, click on Story to Video. Here, first select the aspect ratio and language for your video. Next, choose your video style. I'm going with Disney 2.0. You can also use Google Nano Banana inside Magic Light, and I'll show you how that works later in this video. Alright, now we need to add our story idea or script. To get help with that, we'll use ChatGPT. Join our free Discord server and copy the special prompt I shared there, then paste it into ChatGPT. In the prompt area, type your story title or the main idea of your story. This prompt helps you create a fully immersive, emotional, and cinematic story based on your title. It's designed to be vivid, engaging, and within your desired story length. Once ChatGPT gives you the script, copy it and paste it into Magic Light AI. If you want to customize the video length, select the simple script option. Below that, you'll see the duration setting. Click here to set your custom length. Magic Light lets you create videos up to 50 minutes long using 600 5-second clips. For this example, I'll choose 3 minutes. When everything is set, click Next. Now, Magic Light AI will analyze your script and provide a synopsis. Here, you'll see all your scenes and the shots inside each scene. You can edit or add more if you want, but for now, I'll keep it as it is and click Next. Next is the cast section. This is where you select the characters for your story. For a quick option, click Auto Cast, and Magic Light will automatically assign characters based on your script. You can also create, edit, or replace characters manually. To create new characters, copy the second prompt I shared in our Discord server and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt helps analyze all the characters in your script and gives short, detailed descriptions of their appearance. After getting those descriptions, go back to Magic Light AI and click the Edit button. Then click Create. Give your character a name and paste their description into the character prompt box. Click Generate, and Magic Light will design that character for you. Repeat the same steps for other characters. This way, you'll get the most accurate and visually consistent characters for your story. Once your characters are ready, click Next to open the storyboard. Magic Light will start generating images for your video scenes. You can fully customize each scene here. Each on-screen character will show you the prompt information used to create it. If you want to make changes, you can regenerate or edit the image using Google's Nano Banana model. For example, if I want to add fog, I click Effects, choose Fog, and regenerate. The effect is added beautifully without losing quality. If you want to remove something from the image, click Remove, select the area, and regenerate. It keeps the image consistent with the original. You can even change small details like clothing. For example, I clicked Cloth, typed blue hoodie, and regenerated it. The change looked perfect. You can edit anything you want using your own prompts, giving you total creative freedom. Just imagine the type of high-quality videos you can make using this tool. Once all images are ready, adjust the voiceover speed and pick your preferred voice. You can preview voices to find one that fits your story best, or even clone your own voice by uploading a sample. You can also assign different voices or sound effects for each scene, making your video feel dynamic and professional. Now let's turn our images into videos. Select an image and click Animate, then choose your video model. I'm using Kling 2.1. You can let AI automatically animate it, or give your own custom prompt for animation. Click Confirm, and within seconds, Magic Light starts animating your image. To animate all the images at once, click Animate All, select the scenes you want, pick your video model, and click Confirm. The AI will start animating all the selected scenes. After the animations are done, review each scene carefully. If something doesn't look right, just regenerate it. Once everything looks perfect, click Next for the final steps. Here you can set your cover image, add a title, and choose your preferred style. Then, select your subtitle style and background music. When you're ready, click Generate. Choose your aspect ratio and video quality, then click OK. After the generation process finishes, download your video, and that's it. Now let's watch the result.
In Sherwood Forest, sunlight paints shifting patterns on the forest floor, a mosaic of light and shadow. Robin Hood moves like a phantom through the ancient trees, his senses sharp, ever alert. His gaze sweeps across the serene landscape, a silent hunter in his natural domain. The air is thick with unspoken threat, the unseen presence of the sheriff's men a constant shadow. Robin strides confidently along the trail, his senses alert to the subtle shifts in the forest song. Little Red Riding Hood stands frozen, a fragile figure of innocence and fear, her basket a shield against the unknown. Her voice trembling, she confesses, "I am on my way to my grandmother's house, but I fear a wolf." Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting an ethereal glow as Robin leads Red down the hidden path. Robin gestures, her voice a soft murmur against the rustling leaves, revealing the forest's subtle secrets. Red follows, her eyes wide with a mixture of fear and exhilaration as they venture deeper into the woods.
See? It's amazing. The characters stay perfectly consistent, and the video flow is smooth and natural. You can create many different videos this way using only text and a few clicks. Just imagine starting a YouTube channel like this, uploading videos with consistent characters, beautiful visuals, and engaging stories. I truly believe you can get great views with this method. And yes, these videos are fully monetizable on YouTube. Magic Light gives you everything you need to create viral, high-quality videos effortlessly. With their subscription plan, you'll be able to generate unlimited Sora 2 videos and unlock all the premium features of Magic Light. I highly recommend getting their Pro plan, and if you choose the yearly plan, you'll get 30% off as well. So don't miss this chance. I've left the link in the description so you can check it out yourself. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.